Hi, Miss Chloe. Hi, Miss Chloe. Thank you, Miss.
Wow, look at her. Use her arms.
Nice job, Chloe. Well, where's your ring? Look. That's my swimsuit, Miss. That's part of my body. Oh, yeah. Oh. Nah, nice boogie. Yeah, that's my camera. All right. You ready to get your ring? There's one over there. Yeah. She had to get both of them. Yay! Good job, Chloe. Good job. Drop them down. Drop them. Drop them.
There's the orange one. You gotta get the orange one. You're too quick.
She's a fast one. What about the yellow? Yellow. Yellow. All right, what are you going to do now, Miss Chloe? Uh-huh. You going to swim? You going to use your scoop? Wee, wee, wee.
Go swim.
You ready? You want to swim? Let's go. I know, that hair right in the middle of your face, right? I know. Goggles, yeah.
You gonna put goggles on?
I would love you to wear goggles, Miss. Grab your side. Holding breath, yeah. We got all of it. All the tricks. All the tricks.